Right, today I got this brand new 2023 Santa Cruz, and we're gonna put some accessories on it. So it's a 2024. So here's the part number. You actually scan to get the directions. There's no paper instructions that come with it. You gotta scan that to get them. Like this, we're going to go through. So that you don't need to lift it to do this. So it's a complete assembly side step. Seats in the box here. Like some clips of some sort, some tape of some sort. So this is gonna blend in with the bottom here. We're gonna take that off. Stuff there. Alright, pulled one out of the box here. You see we got these are going to be screw holes, so it looks like these little pieces in here are going to be the covers on those. And we got a whole bag of hardware stuff. I didn't open this, I'm not sure what this is. No, I'm going to do that. Right, so it looks like this is for after you install it, how to get a jack under the car to jack up so you don't mess up the boards. Right, so we're not taking off the stuff on the doors. We're taking this because that's going to be replaced with running board stuff. I am just feeling what's under there. Let's just start on one end. Let's get down and look. Lay down on the floor. So I'm not seeing like clips or anything. Well, I mean, I'm sure it's clipped in, but I'm not seeing any like thing to loosen on the outside. See a little clip there. So it looks like I'm just gonna have to pull. Alright, so here's what I'm doing. I'm putting my the piece here. I'm gonna go right in there. And there are clips along. And I'm going to do that all along under here. So after I got the bottom like out, and you're gonna want to pull it out. And there we go. See, there's the clips there, and there's clips here. So all these kind of like broke off. So you're gonna have to get these out because we're gonna need these holes. But that molding out. I'm gonna go through, pop these out. We may have to take these out. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm just going to set it here. I think I do. I think I saw that in there. Alright, so it looks like we got all those out of there. Alright, it says something about body seam filler to pull off, but I don't see any of that stuff here. But see some clips we missed underneath. See that drain plug there? That's also got to go. Another one right here. One here. Another one here. And then there's one more down the back there. Alright, so now we're just gonna wipe this clean along here because we gotta put a noise dampening like sticker all along it. You just want to make sure it's a clean, dry surface for, you know, any sticker you do, you want to have a clean, dry surface. Try to mount it somewhat. So that's that roll that we got. It's the sound stuff. So I'm going to start by trying to get a little edge. Wait. Okay. So now we're gonna go they say to cover the holes, but you're gonna have to cut them out again. Living the dream.
I see that. For 2 more weeks, I'm going to run off. I'm giving away a chance to win a bullpup gun. It's a 12-gauge shotgun with a pistol grip. It's you if you pull it back. I love you take it. I got a flyer.
For running place.
But yeah, I will leave that for you.
Get that on there, then we're going to take a little knife and punch out all these holes. Find where the holes are. There's one here. Gonna do that to all of them. So now we got a bunch of these. These are in 2 separate bags and they are different, so don't mix them up. You can see this one's a little bigger than this one. And according to the directions, that does matter. So there you go, size matters. Alright, so we got 7 of these on each side. I think these were the bigger ones. And we're just gonna push those into the holes just like that. Actually going pretty good. The Santa Fe one I did at a different like style, the same concept, different style, and that was kind of a pain. These ones seem like they had a better, because the ones of the Santa Fe that I did didn't have the black part around it. It was just the silver, so it was like prone to falling in. So it looks like I got that. There's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was just looking on that one I think may need to be here. Let me double check. Yeah, so it's looking like this one. Alright, that came out pretty easy. Should be in this hole. Right, now we're going to take the other size and we're going to go underneath and put them in the holes under. Lay on the ground here. Just like the other one. Just going to pop them up into these holes. I think that one. Oh, that sucks. You can't do this up on the lift. I gotta lay around on the floor. It's not that it's dirty. It's just it's hard getting up and down. Let's see. Yeah, one here. And the last one. I want this going at home. So I was just looking at how to tell the front and back of the bar here. So this is the back, it has a little flare up. And this is the front where it kind of goes up. And it also has, right inside there, it says LH. So this would be the left side, which would be driver's side. And we're working on passenger side right now, so I get the other one out for that. Just double checking to make sure. So, right hand, be passenger side. Just one to make sure you get, probably before as far as I did that, you got both sides, not one of one side. I think I'm gonna need 2 hands to get this in there, but those spaces where you didn't put one of these in, like right behind here, they have a clip. And then a clip in the back, it's a little pink there. Go in that hole, and that's so it's not strong enough to hold people or step on it, but it is strong enough to hold it in place while you get all the screws and stuff in, because underneath you got a bunch more screws are going to go up to the other ones. Alright, took a little messing with. I mean, it went in rather easily, but just one person trying to probably go a lot easier if you had 2 people. The front kind of slides in a little bit before he goes on. The back will go on just fine. Now we got it all in there. And it looks like all these are the same size. It's like they're 10 millimeter. So they gotta start with the bottom and then do the side. That way it's lifting it up into place and then go in. bottom, do the same thing. When you have them all in, you got your little pieces here. These are just going to clip in the cover, so it gives it a nice smooth look. You can see it has a little angle to it. The curved part will be facing up. Now we got them installed. I get far enough back to see it. Sporty look. That was the piece you're just going to throw away. You have no need for that anymore. That was just me doing one side. I still got the other side, but it's going to be the same, so I don't need to do a whole video on it. So we open up the doors. Looks factory, seals there, everything's good. So if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe.